Hi, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by going into devices settings and tapping on lock screen and wallpaper. Now select simple mode at the bottom and click on the gray sweater next to simple mode to activate it. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to disable it, go into settings and tap on exit simple view. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!